Good morning everyone and welcome to our Friday Daring Assembly. I'll explain that in a moment. For each other we, every day we, to improve we, together we will. Every single Stukeley day we focus on. Our Stukeley motto is, our Stukeley curriculum is, and 4 words that make the magic happen. Oh, I'm having so much fun here on my own in the hall. Right, anyway, welcome to Daring Assembly. I'm calling it that because we've done lots of different sharing assemblies and I've run out of ideas. So each week we're now going to do something which rhymes with sharing. I'll leave you to try and work out what the other weeks will be. Today it's a daring assembly. Before the daring bit though, we're going to sing. We're going to sing a song that I'm sure everybody knows. Foundation stage all the way up to year 6 and then grown-ups. When I walked around school yesterday, there weren't many people singing. I know that Strangers is quite a hard tune for lots of you, but come on! So today, I want to hear children singing in the classrooms, adults singing in the classrooms, and I want to hear children singing in the houses out on Stukeley. I want to hear singing. Let's sing now. Oh, that is great singing, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay, it's almost time for the daring bit. But before that, we've got a few shout outs. Happy birthday, Jessica in year 1. It's today. I think you're probably in school. So have a wonderful day with some of your friends and then more fun when you get home. Also, congratulations to the Dobbs brothers, who I think were mentioned in the Hunt's Youth Community Awards for their good work. And also Alicia in year 6, who was a runner-up in the May Awards. Also, well done Megan in year 6 for getting to your millionaire, but in a very short space of time. I think you smashed through hundreds of thousands of words in a short space of time. And massive congratulations to Edward in year 3, who's just got his millionaire. Yes, I said year 3, just got his millionaire. And I think that he's one of the first children to ever get it by the last half term in year 3. I think we had some children get it closer to the end of year 3, but Edward has achieved it about May half term, which is incredible. Fantastic. Well done, Edward. Celebrate with your family. Okay, it's time. Yesterday, I gave Mr. Jones some challenges. I dared him to do some things. Number 1, I dared him to throw a tennis ball at Mr. Partridge. Secondly, I dared him to put on 20 badges that he had made himself. Third, I dared him to scare Mrs. Cooper. No one scares Mrs. Cooper. And fourth, I dared him to wear the sombrero, a different sombrero, for the whole day. They were 4 dares. The good news is, he's done them all, because he is a great guy. So what I'm going to do now is, if you are on a laptop, a computer, or if you're on your phone, you will be able to click to see Mr. Jones do these dares. And you can choose in your classroom or in your family which one you watch first. You can keep going back to watch the others. So, you're now going to choose the one to watch first. I am going to try and get all 4 of them on the screen. And then you guys are going to watch and enjoy our daring assembly. I'm going to let you make your choices. Have a good rest of the day. Have a really good weekend. And I'll see you on Monday. Choose.